Oh, hello. Don't mind me, I just want to show you my lovely village in Minecraft. I mean, not Minecraft, Realmcraft. Thank you. One minute. This isn't my place. Where did this come from? Secret. What do you have? The good stuff. Okay. What do I have? A cart, one pickaxe, and some wool. I'm not supposed to kill them both, am I? I mean, right? I'm gonna have to, won't I? I'll have to kill them both. Okay. I'm totally okay with that. I can't kill the sheep, though. Ah! What's in this? I can't even open it. So I'm assuming... Guys, I'm gonna grab that pickaxe and I need to test something out. If this is what I think it is, then there should be something behind here. It is. This is the bathroom from Saw 1. So this is basically Saw in Minecraft. And I'm guessing we have to use these flint and steels on the TNT in order to get out of here. Yeah, count me out. I'm out. See ya. I'm gonna need to think of a plan here. Because if so, then I'm supposed to kill this guy by 6. I don't want to kill this guy and the sheep. There's also an observer here. Oi! Either way, I'm gonna figure out a plan here. Meanwhile, why don't you guys see one of Jigsaw's pieces? See? Jigsaw's work. You may remember this. This is the razor wire maze. Hello, Paul. You have the perfect life and even a happy wife, yet you proceeded to cut yourself. Did you want attention or just wanted to die? If you want to die, you can sit here and rot. To live, You can go through the razor wire I have placed before you. The clock is ticking, Paul. Good to know, Jigsaw. Later! Run! Go this way. Guys, you think I'm going the right way? Hi there, Piggy! You think the pig knows how to get out? I think he's back this way. Sit here and regain health. Scratch that! Go! And I'm gonna like literally scratch it. Look at this maze. Was that really the way out? Wow! I'm gonna want to take that book with me as a memento. There, a little memento to remember Jigsaw. Now let's get out of here. Okay, maybe I forgot the way out. Uh-oh. Go! Is it this way? This way? Not gonna lie, I might have forgotten the way. Please tell me that was not another way out. Well. Bye! Yep, I'm out. Did you guys enjoy it? Good, because I think I might have a little bit of a plan. If this is like Saw movie, then there should be another way to kill this guy other than just explode him. And if I'm correct, that means there should be something behind here. There is. Cart with TNT. I was just saying that there could be another way to kill this guy without exploding him. Let's think. In the movie, there was a gun in the middle of the room. It just couldn't be accessed. Same as this right now. There's probably a bow and arrow on that thing. It just can't be accessed. Again, I don't want to kill this guy, though. Maybe I can just punch him. Steak? Bring it, I'm hungry. Oops! What'd you do that for, man? Yep. I don't know. I do not know what to do. I need to start formulating a plan or something. Hey, outside world. Either way. I didn't even go in transition. A book. And flint and steel. Hey, I can light fires. Hello. You're trapped in a stone sarcophagus with only one hope of escape. A chest in this room contains the pressure plate you needed to get out. The perimeter of the room is cactus, so be careful. And lastly, there's TNT and random spots on the walls, so be careful with that flint and steel. Let the game begin. Well, that sucks. I think I'm supposed to light the cactus. Okay, I think I'm supposed to light the cactus and then search. But I can actually see a little bit. There'll be something missing. Can I set the chest on fire? Wait, I got an idea. What if... Let there be light! One of these chests I got to have a pressure plate in them. Hey, the pressure plate. Let's go. Yeah, I'm putting the fire out. Later! I can't get out. I'm out, boys! And we got the loot! I'm free! Back already? I have an idea. Theoretical, but it might work. I saw that in this guy's chest, he has obsidian. I think I can make a small nether portal and get the heck out of here. Well, in truth, guys. What? Oh, I forgot. You just tap it. This thing ain't lining, is it? No! I thought I was so clever. Gosh darn it. Well, now I'm still stuck in here with an obsidian portal. Time to formulate another plan. I'll see you guys after you're done seeing this next trap. Ah! Hey, little buddy. What are you doing? What are all of you doing? Hey, nice helmet. Wait. Don't even think about it. If this is Saw, we did the bathroom one, the flammable jelly thingy one, and there is a wire maze, meaning this is the reverse bear trap. Does that mean I have to kill all these sheep? Sharpness 5 sword. They won't mind if I add a few more upgrades to it, will they? Just a saw and anvil. There it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm almost ready. Ah! I feel so bad, but that was extremely satisfying. Oh, that was so satisfying as well. Any sheep gone loose? No? Well. Anyway, now that I'm free, I'm gonna head down to the nether. Later. Okay. I think I am dumb. What are you doing? Think about it. Think about it. Stone. Pickaxe. Stone. Pickaxe. Come here! I'm free. That easy, although I was very tempted to do this. Go, go, go. Oh! There is nothing left of this bathroom. Run. Oh, yeah. I felt so good. And you watching me. Did I win? Ah, I'm out. Wait, can I look another portal now? Nope. Ah, well, it doesn't matter anymore. I got my way out. Yeah, there is nothing left of this bathroom. What is this? Another portal? Definitely not another portal. By the way, if you guys did enjoy the video, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel for more recreation videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace, you guys. Yeet.